Your Excellency, the President of Uganda and the Commander-in-Chief of the Uganda People's Defense Forces, I welcome you at Ahmadu Warfare Training School. Your Excellency, Ahmadu Warfare Training School is a training hub for armored formations in the UPDF, and it continues to fulfill its mandate in line with the strategic guidance. It's the first time that we are conducting several courses, basically main battle tanks of different series running concurrently. This course started on 16th of November 2020 with 576 trainees. Before you, sir, are 443 graduates that have endured a year-long course in their respective categories of specialties.
You have mastered your studies. I saw the exercise. It was very good. Don't say, I am armor and I will only rely on armor. You can't fight with one arm. Armor, no. That is cham konda konda. It must be armor, artillery, air force, field engineering, infantry, intelligence, so many elements. So I congratulate you, and it is now my honor to pass you out all the different courses which have been here, the one they have mentioned. I pass you out now.